Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to cut and sew a simple maxi dress with gathers. This tutorial is perfect for everyone, and by the end of it you'll be able to make this dress by yourself. Please, you can hit the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now, like, comment and share with your friends. You can also turn your notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. Kindly give this video more watch time, guys. So guys, I'm going to use 2 yards of this floral material to achieve this time. So let's dive into today's tutorial, guys. I'll be using 2 yards of floral fabric to achieve today's tutorial. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead now to spread my fabric because I'm cutting out my upper part out of it for us to start our tutorial for today. So guys, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to end, and don't forget it's a floral fabric that I'm using for today's style that we are making today. So let me cut out the upper side out. So you can see that I've cut out the upper side, so I'll be marking my measurements. So from my upper part I'll place my tape rule to mark 5 inches, and I'm going to go down by 2 inches to bring down the front neckline down. Okay, so after that I'm going to mark my shoulder. My shoulder divided by 2 is going to give me 8 inches, right? So I'll just draw a straight line for that now for my shoulder. So I'll go ahead now to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. So I'm going to slope my shoulder now. Okay, so at this point I'm going to mark 7 inches for my chest line. Okay, so that's for my chest line. On my chest line, that's where I'm going to place my tape rule and mark 36 inches for my bust measurement, and also add 1 inches for my allowance, sewing allowance. So after that I'm going down to my waist and mark 28 inches and also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So at this point I'm going to curve my armhole. Okay, so I'll be connecting my marks together. So guys, please, I'm going to cut it out now. Okay, so I'm starting from my neckline. So just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, and you can give this video more watch time, give it a thumbs up. All right, please, I'm going to mark 15 inches for my half length. Okay, so that's for my half length. So I'll keep on cutting out the fabric now. Okay, so don't forget the style that we are making today is a simple style. So please, now it's for us to cut the back piece now. So I've folded my fabric already, so I'll just place my front piece on my back piece, then I'm going to give my zipper allowance, which is by 1 inch. All right, so that's for my zipper allowance. So don't forget, I gave 1 inch for my zipper allowance, and I'm using 2 yards of this floral fabric to achieve the style that I'm making. It's a simple maxi dress that has gathers. So I'm going to mark 1.5 inch for my depth of my back neckline. Okay, so that's for the back depth neckline. So I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. So don't forget, I'm cutting my upper piece of my dress that I'm making today, and it's a 2 yards of a floral fabric that I'm using to achieve the style. So I'm just cutting the back piece now. So just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, because it's only when you watch it down to the end that's where you'll be able to understand the style that we are making, because I really want you to make your own after watching this particular tutorial down to the end, and you are going to get it after watching it. So just keep on watching, and you can give this video a thumbs up so that this video can get to more viewers, so that more viewers can see it and also watch. So we are going to just cut the down part of it now. I have my fabric here, the one I'm going to use to complete the length of my maxi dress. I'm going to also gather this particular one. So guys, I've folded it into four, so I'm going to take the length of my dress, which is 40 inches, but the complete length is 54 inches. Okay, so I'm going to take this fabric to my sewing machine. So that's what I'm showing guys, that I'm going to gather the upper parts of it guys. At this point, I'll be sewing a straight line using a stitch length. Okay, so to pull the gather thread, so I will gently pull the thread to gather the fabric, as you can see me doing here on the video. So this is what your own should be like when making your own. If it's not like this, so that means something is wrong. So what you need to do is for you to watch this particular tutorial again, so that you can understand it more better, and then you can sew your own neatly like this. So you can see how I'm pulling the threads so that the fabric can gather. I'm doing it gently, so just keep on watching this particular down to the end, so you can see how neat the gathers came out. So let's cut our sleeve. So I've folded my fabric already into two, so I'm going to just give a straight line, and I'm going to be measuring 12 inches for my sleeve length. Alright, so on my armhole I'll be measuring 2 inches and give a little curve for that. Okay, alright, so guys, after that I'll be measuring 8 inches for my round sleeve. Just can be more than that, it all depends on your body size. So I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. So we are making the sleeve now. You can see how simple it is to cut this particular sleeve that we are cutting today. So I will just go ahead now, and we are going to use our elastic to run on it. So at this point I'll be passing my elastic with my safety pin at the lower part of my sleeve. So after this section, I'm going to attach it to the main dress that we are making. And don't forget, we are making a simple maxi dress that is going to have gathers at the waistline. So guys, I hope you are following up, and I hope you are understanding it. And if you don't, there's no problem, just watch this particular tutorial again, so you are going to get it after watching it again guys. So now is my sleeve, so let me attach it to the main dress that I'm making today guys. By following these steps, you will have a beautiful simple maxi dress with gathers that's perfect for that special occasion. That's it for today's tutorial guys. I'm glad for taking your time to learn and improve your skills. So don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different techniques. If you have any questions, you can drop it on the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more tutorials guys, and you can give this video more watch time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video guys.